Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the chapter name place value. In this chapter, some topic. Today we, today we are going to see the topic numeral forms, expanded form, place value and face value. Numeral form, expanded form, place value and face value. First, we are going to see the numeral form for this expanded form. Numeral form for this number. What is this? 7 lakhs 50,058. How many lakhs is there? 7 lakhs is there. How many 10,000s is there? 5 10,000 is there. How many 10,000 is there? 5 10,000 is there. For that you put 5 here. Any 1,000 is there? There is no 1,000 is there. For that what you should do? You put 0 in the thousands place. Here there is no 1,000. For that you put 0 in the thousands place. Then what you should do? You move on to the next. Any hundreds is there? No, there is no hundreds is there. Any hundreds is there? No hundreds is there. For that what you should do? Again you 0 in the hundreds place. Then move on to the next is the tens place. How many tens is there? 5 tens. Ones place. 8 is there. 8 ones. 8. All of them understood? How will you write the numeral forms? All of them understood? Then move on to the expanded form. Then next topic is expanded form. For this number, you write the expanded form. First, 2 is in the which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. 2 is in the lakhs place. How will you write the 2 lakhs? Children? Yes, 2 lakhs. You write like this. Then you put plus sign. The next place is 10,000 place. What number is there? 9 is there. 9 10,000. What will come? 90,000. 9 10,000. 90,000. The next place is thousands place. 2 is in the thousands place. 2,000. What will come? Yes, correct. 2,000. You write. After that, move on to the hundreds place. Any number is there? No, there is no number is there. Only 0 is there. Then what you should do? You leave that place. You move on to the tens place. What number is there? 5 is there. 5 tens, 50. 5 tens, 50. Then ones place what number is there? 1 is there. 1 1 1. The expanded form of this number understood, children? Then move on to the next topic, place value and face value. Place value, lakh and face value. Place value, lakhs, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, and ones. Yes, all of them understood? No, this before itself we discussed this. Then how will you write the place value and face value? Number. 4 is in the what place? Lakhs place. 4 place value is 4 lakhs. Face value is 4. Then move on to the next place, 10,000. The 1 is in the 10,000 place. How will you write this? 10,000. 1 10,000. 10,000. Face value is 1. Then move on to the thousands place. 6 is there. Then 6 is in the thousands place. The place value of 6 is 6,000. Face value of 6 is 6. Place value of 6 is 6,000. Face value of 6 is 6. Then move on to the 100 place. What number is there? 9 is there. 900. 900. The place value of 9 is 900. Face value of 9 is 9. Then move on to the tens place. 3 is there. You say what will come? 3. Place value is 3 is in the tens place. 3 tens 30. The place value of 3 is 30. Face value of 3 is 3. Understood, children? The next is ones place. 2 is there. 2 is in the ones place. 2 ones 2. The place value of 2 is 2. The face value of 2 is 2. All of them understood? Now you see only one example to see how will you write the place value and face value. This example, the colored digit, one number is there. What number is colored? Say yes, 7 is colored digit. For that you write the place value and face value. Place value what will come and face value what will come? Yes, correct. Face value is 7. Then place value, say place value 7,000. 7 is in the thousands place. So that 7,000, 7,000. The place value of 7 is 7,000. Face value of 7 is 7. All of them understood, children?